Batavia Nexxsaw. Chainsaws redefined for one-handed use. Creators of the Batavia Nexxsaw chainsaws have redefined the game with designs tailored for one-handed use. Weighing less than 2 kilograms and powered by a 2-amp-hour battery, these chainsaws can effortlessly handle 100 cuts. With models for different branch sizes, a 32-degree angle adjustment, and a price starting at $207, these chainsaws offer a versatile and user-friendly cutting solution. Kneel It V3. Comfortable support for prolonged kneeling. Spending long hours on your knees can take a toll on your body. The Kneel It V3 is a $320 investment in a system of roller mounts with a spring-loaded seat. Supporting up to 113 kilograms of weight, it rotates 360 degrees, easing strain on both your knees and back. Suitable for use on asphalt, concrete, or the ground, it's a smart buy for amateurs and pros alike. Monkey Klamp. Safeguarding against falls from ladders. Concerned about ladder falls? The Monkey Klamp is a $35 solution that attaches to ladders, holding tools, paint cans, and other items weighing up to 7 kilograms. This innovative tool minimizes the need to climb down or stretch dangerously, reducing the risk of accidental falls. ROTHENBERGER R600 VarioClean, Mario's pipe cleaning companion. Inspired by Mario's adventures, the ROTHENBERGER R600 VarioClean is not just for adventurers. Plumbers can benefit too. Ideal for cleaning pipes with diameters from 20 to 150 millimeters, this cordless system is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Priced at $3,100, it offers convenience in places without electricity.